Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna see how to make okra stew with meat. But before we start, if this is your first time here, please subscribe. Thank you for watching and let's cooking. First we're gonna start with our ingredients. I have here around 400 grams of okra, frozen one. You can use the fresh one too. It's cleaned from the top. 150 grams of meat cut in small pieces. Tomato juice, and if you have a tomato juice, you can use the tomato sauce. I have here around 1 kilo of tomato, some vegetable oil, 1 small onion cut in half, 2 garlic cloves cut in half too, 1 cinnamon stick, some bay leaves, some cardamom, some clove seeds, small spoon of 7 spices, and salt. My friends, this is our ingredients, and now let's see how to prepare our okra stew. In a pot over medium-high fire, put some vegetable oil, wait a little bit, then add the onion, the garlic, the cinnamon stick, the bay leaves, and the cardamom and the cloves. Fry it a little bit with the oil, then add the meat. Stir all together until the meat change color. That's gonna take around 5 minutes. Then add over it the 7 spices. Stir it a little bit. Then add over it a hot water. And leave the meat cooking over medium-high heat for around 1 hour. During that, we gonna fry our okra. In a deep hot vegetable oil, put the okra in it and fried it. And this is how it look after we fried it. Take it out and put it aside. After the meat is done, drain it. And now let's see the final step. In a pot over medium-high heat, put some vegetable oil, add over it a small chopped onion, stir it a little bit. Then add over it the okra, mix it a little bit, then add the meat. Add over it some salt, the tomato juice, the meat broth. Stir all together, and if you see that the stew have a light color and you want it more darker, you can add over it 1 spoon of tomato sauce. Cover it and leave it cooking for around 15 minutes. When it's done, in a frying pan, put some vegetable oil, wait a little bit, then add over it some chopped garlic, around 3 or 4 cloves. Fry the garlic, then add it over the stew. And that's it. Our okra stew is ready. You can eat it alone with bread, or you can eat it with rice and vermicelli. And if you like to know how to make rice with vermicelli, I'm gonna leave the link down below. My friends, this is all for today. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment area. Thank you for watching, and goodbye. Some of other recipes in our channel you might find interesting.